Hey everybody, Josh from Populi here, and today we're looking at 5 tips for better support requests. Why do you care about this? Well, writing a good support request should help you get answers faster. It cuts out the back and forth that can happen in a support exchange. Tip number 1, provide lots of details. One of the biggest obstacles for quickly resolving a support request is lack of detail in the initial email. So if charges are incorrect on student profiles, that's vague. It can be hard for us to pin that down. But if you tell us that John Doe's undergrad tuition for fall 2022 should be $1,000 more than it is currently, and you don't know why, that's something that we can have a look at. We have a specific student's name, we know the term, we know the particular tuition schedule maybe that's there, and then we've got what you would expect to happen, $1,000 more, and what's actually happened. More details means you've asked a better question. A better question means a better answer faster. Tip 2, Uniform Resource Locator. That's the full name of URL. And those URLs are the web address that you'll see in the little bar at the top of your browser. Those URLs are your friends. If you're having trouble with a particular course or student, all you have to do is copy that URL at the top and then go into the support request and paste it in. That way we'll be able to follow that link and that'll take us exactly to where you are in Populi. Tip 3. Include screenshots. On any operating system, on any computer, you have the ability to take screenshots and then to attach those files to a support request. If you can show us the issue in a screenshot, that can sometimes really speed up the process of getting you a good answer. Also, there's a handy website called takeascreenshot.org. You should bookmark that. If you go there, it will give you the commands that are specific to your operating system. Tip 4, be kind. We totally understand being frustrated with software. Our users, you guys, are nice and courteous. But just remember that you're writing in asking for help. And it's much easier for our support team to provide that help if the message is friendly and not condescending or demanding. Tip 5, don't worry about getting it exactly right. Let's just have fun out there. It's always possible that you don't have the context to understand what details are pertinent in a given situation. We'd rather you get the ball rolling and just send in a support request rather than banging your head against the wall. More details are great, screenshots are great, but if you don't know exactly what needs to go in the support request, send one anyway. Again, better questions mean better answers. Go ahead and subscribe, click the notifications bell when that pops up, ding, 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 and hit the like button there. Also, check us out on social media. You'll find links down in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm Josh for Populi. Bye.